Every manufacturer knows this feeling. A machine goes down unexpectedly, production starts falling behind, and suddenly an entire operation is relying on a single component. In these moments, the challenge is not finding a replacement part. The real challenge is finding a solution fast enough to keep production moving. That's exactly why CNC Tools LLC was founded. For many years, we've worked alongside the people who keep production moving forward. The manufacturers, maintenance teams, industrial resellers, who face these problems every single day. That's why we're excited to announce that we will be attending Automate 2026, June 22nd through the 25th in Chicago. You can visit us in booth 10,055, where we're not only going to showcase what we do, but we're also going to meet the people in charge of keeping production moving forward, where we're going to learn about the challenges you're facing, share ideas, and explore how, together, we can keep production moving forward. Because remember, we're CNC Tools, where production never stops.